how to prioritize tasks in monday.com. So first go to your monday.com dashboard and then choose your workspace here and then just click on the board. Okay, so here you can see all of your tasks, right? So next is just look for priority here. You can look for this one. As you can see, I have a medium, high, and low priority for each task. So if you don't see a priority column here on your tasks, you can just add a new one here and then just click on priority. Okay, so let's say you want to prioritize task 2 or task 1. Okay, so what you need to do here is just click on this one, and then now you can choose among these options here whether this is a critical task or a high task, medium, or low. So let's just edit this as a critical task. Now that's it. Now people are going to prioritize this one. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.